gonna put. I really like having nails, the extensions. However, not really used to it. And this is lip balm. This is a lip balm. I have an old lip balm like this. But I don't like it because you have to like scoop it up and use your fingers. You might think like you're contaminating the lip balm that is not used, like that is inside of this. Anyways, so I have to buy the lip balm that I usually buy, the one with like the packaging is the same as Rode, but the Vaseline one because I like it. I like the color too.